Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. How are you today? I'm pretty well, thank you. Okay, do you know what is the subject today?
Yes.
What?
Subject is reading.
Reading comprehension, right?
Yes.
What reading? Reading 1, 2, 3?
3.
Reading 3. Okay. Okay, before we start our class, I would like to call your names, and would you please to raise your hand? Okay. Muhammad Sauki. Okay. And then Fahri. Itu. Muhammad Saiful Amin. Right. You have to pray before we start our class, yeah? Okay. The captains, please open. For praying, please.
Okay,
yes.
guys. Before starting class today, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Okay, students, today we are going to study the skill in reading comprehension. Everybody knows how many scale do you remember? Scale in reading. Do you still remember when you are in reading 1, reading 2? All right. There are some skills. Reading is a skill, language skill, yeah. Besides, do you still remember? Do you have listening comprehension? This is a skill. And then what else? Reading comprehension. And then this is a relative skill. And then productive skill. There are what? Speaking. Yeah, did you learn speaking? And the last one is what? Skill. Writing. Good, writing. So we have listening, we have reading, we have speaking and writing. And then also we have to study. You have to study also the component of language. Okay, because this is a reading comprehension, reading is not a passive skill. While you are reading, then it doesn't mean that you are passive. This is an active skill also. Yeah, because you think, you read, you try to understand, you will try to understand the writer. What does the writer want to read? The writer want to express their idea in writing. That is the reading comprehension. So, reading is the skill. Even this is receptive skill doesn't mean this is not passive. It doesn't mean this passive skill. Yeah. So this is not passive skill. The books. Then there are main idea. How to get the main ideas. How to get the main ideas of the text. And then there are detailed information. And then there are also inferential information, literal information, literal skill, meaning there are many skills. So our focus today is on the how to understand the main idea of the text. Okay, do you understand it? Main idea. What is the main idea? Main. What is the main?
It's the main of the paragraph.
Mains. What is the main? Important. Yeah, main is important. The most important things. Main ideas. What is the main ideas of the text? Okay? All right, now please look at this is what we're going to study in this part. And then the main idea question. Main idea question meaning we have to understand the main idea information. Yeah, informative question to the question and then we understand. Try to understand what is the main ideas. Look at page 258. Okay, I divided you into two. Okay, I divided you into two. I think there are balanced groups then. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I asked you, okay, so half of you will stay outside and half of you will stay here then. Okay. So I prefer to ladies first, yeah? Ladies first stay here and then the rest will be outside. Okay, you start from here. Okay? And then the second group will be start from here, next paragraph. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So please read until, okay. Okay, I think that's all right. Okay, represented from this one. One of you or two of you, and then you can. So what is how to detect the main ideas in one paragraph? Okay, would you please explain to the other groups? Yes? What is your understanding? From you, okay? Your part. All right. Yes. Okay, please. No, it's not enough. It's not necessary then. Speak loudly, yeah? Speak loudly.
It is relatively easy to find the main ideas by studying the topic sentence.
Yes. How?
The first is, we look the first paragraph. Meaning the topic sentence. Flower.
Okay. Do you understand the flower explanation? Bunga's explanation of flowers? Do you understand it? If we try to understand only one paragraph for main ideas, we have to look at what? To look at the first sentence. Okay, to look at the first sentence. This is way. Do you understand it? Okay, for example, would you please give the example? Okay, next, your friend then in a group. And what is the example? So we have to underline, to highlight, to focus our attention to the first sentence of each paragraph. Is it? If it's only one paragraph. Okay?
Basketball was invented in 1891 by a physical education instructor in Springfield, Massachusetts, by the name of James Naismith. The topic of the first sentence is the invention of basketball. So we can line the topic sentence. That's going to be the main idea of the paragraph.
Okay. Would you please do not this, the arrangement of the seat is not like this one. I don't like it. Please make it face to face with your friend. Okay. All right.
This is one. Most of the ice of the Earth, close to 90% of it, is covering the surface of the continent Antarctica. It doesn't snow very much in Antarctica, but whatever snow does fall remains and grows deeper and deeper. In some areas of Antarctica, the ice has perhaps been around for as much as a million years and now is more than 2 miles deep.
Okay, students, I think that's all for your class. And reading comprehension 1, this is one scale in reading comprehension that you have to be careful to understand the characteristics of the text, the number of the text, and the question of its text. Okay, I think that's all for today. If you have no more questions, I close the class. Okay, be happy with your reading. Keep reading to sharpen your understanding in the text. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.